Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Today we will presenting about our assignment in microcontroller technology for our mini project, which is the title is Automatic Irrigation System using PIC 16F877A. It's dedicated to our lecturer is Cik Mazlan bin Esro. Next, for the group members, we form of five members, which is me, Wan Ahmad Haziq bin Wan Adnan, and my metric number is B122310504. And another four person is Ahmad Iqbal bin Idris, Muhammad Lokman bin Khairul Anwar, Muhammad Shukri bin Muhammad Ramli, and the last one is Muhammad Ifan bin Syahrul Nizam. For introduction part, which is the title is Idealized with the agriculture sector, where agriculture is important for food supply, but traditional irrigation system use manual operation. So this cause water wastage and even uneven watering plants. To solve the issue that happen in the agriculture sector, an automatic irrigation system is introduced. This project used a PIC 16F877A microcontroller and a soil moisture sensor to control the water pump automatically based on soil condition. The system helps save water, reduce human effort, and ensure plants receive the right amount of water.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Iqbal bin Idris, and now I will present for the objective part. Firstly, to monitor soil moisture levels using a soil moisture sensor. Second, to control the water pump automatically based on soil moisture conditions. Third, to reduce water wastage by supplying water only when needed. And lastly, to minimize human intervention in the irrigation process and improve efficiency. Next, I will explain the system overview. This slide summarizes how our project operates as a complete automated loop. The operation begins with the detection. The system continuously detects the water level in the soil and sends this raw signal to the microcontroller. This is the input stage that triggers the whole process. Once the signal is received, the microcontroller processes the data. It converts the analog digital signal into a readable digital format to decide the soil condition. Based on this decision, it controls the water pump using PWM pulse width modulation logic. This allows the system to manage the water supply intelligently based on real-time needs. And finally, the system provides feedback. It displays the current system status to the user on the screen and use indicator to show active operation. We also include a manual control feature to override the system if necessary.
Assalamualaikum. I continue. My part is my name is Muhammad Syukri bin Ramli and my metric B1231051 and I continue this slide and methodology. First, the hardware and component. We use a PIC 60F877A microcontroller. Next is 16 multiply to LCD display. And next is push button for external interrupt input. So sensor, we use variable sensor 1K. And last and but not least is LED, a indicator LED, red and green, and resistor 220, and lastly motor level and motor L293T. Okay, next I can explain system design. The system is initiated by configure the PIC 60F877A principal, including the ADC, PWM, CCP module, LCD, and external interrupt. The source sensor is the new previous analog signal, which is converted into the digital value using the ADC module. The microcontroller compat the digital motion value which with the shell level. Based on the comparison, a PWM signal is generated to control the water pump speed to the motor level. The system status and soil condition and display on the LCD, while LED provide visual indicator. Last, an external interrupt allow manual system on off control without interrupt operation. And this is from Lab 4, 5, and 6. Okay, I explain the flowchart in this program. Okay, start, and power on. And next is set IO. Direction with trace and initialize LCD ADC RA0 PWM CCP 1 and enable RBO interruption push button. And next, check RB0 button interrupt, toggle system on off. And next, system on. And this is condition is no, is system off, pump button off, and PWM 0%, green light red, and system display off. With merger, soil merger, yes, the rich soil moisture, and we can continue the machine apabila bawah 300. uh, yes, push button on, and PWM 100% and red LED on, and display soil dry. And this condition no, we can continue the measure. uh, 600 and yes, and power on, and WM 50% and red LED on, and display side dry. Sorry, wait. Uh, sorry. Dry. And no, pump off, display sorry, wait, and repeat loop, and that's all.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Irfan bin Shahrul Nizam. My number matric is B1223105109. And now I will present about the result of our project assignment. Okay. In this section, we are looking at the simulation result of our smart irrigation system. The system is designed to respond to the soil moisture content to ensure efficient water on a plant. Okay. For left image, it shows the soil moisture sensor that simulated by a potentiometer on bottom left is at low threshold, and it is indicate dry soil. Then the LCD will show a display soil dry. Because of the soil is dry, the sensor will trigger the pump to run at 100% high speed. Okay, next we go to the right image. It shows that the moisture level was increased and the sensor or potentiometer value has changed to 50. The LCD now displays soil OK that indicate the moisture is within in a good condition, meaning that the system does not shut down entirely but it moves to a conservation mode. The speed is also reduced to 50% speed. Next, for this condition, which is wet soil, the input of soil moisture sensor reflect a high moisture value, which is wet soil. Then the LCD will display soil wet, and pump off. For output, to prevent over-irrigation, the microcontroller sends a signal to motor driver to stop the pump entirely. And for the right image, the image represents the system in powered down state. The LCD read system off, providing user feedback that the automated logic is currently inactive. So, by comparing all four conditions, which is dry, wet, normal and off, we can see a full loop control system in action. The use of auto PWM and NLCD ensure the user is always aware of the system decision, and PWM driver pump adjustment optimize resource management. Okay, next is, in this part, we can see how the system manage different environmental conditions and safety protocol. When the soil become fully saturated, a sensor triggered a wet soil and the LCD will display soil wet and pump off. The microcontroller automatically stop the pump to prevent overwatering. To ensure complete user control, we have implement an emergency interrupt using the RB0 or INT pin on PIC 60F877A microcontroller. When the emergency button is pressed, the system immediately stops to its normal program to execute an interrupt service routine (ISR). This first stop the water pump, disable the PWM output and switch the status LED from green to red. These safety features allow for an instant manual shutdown at any time, regardless of what the soil moisture sensor are reading. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Muhammad Kuman. Moving on to the conclusion of our project, we have successfully developed a fully functional automatic irrigation system using the PIC 16F877A microcontroller. Our technical implementation involved integrating the ADC module for precise moisture sensing and the CCP1 PWM module to control the water pump at variable speeds. As shown in our practice results, the system accurately identifies three soil conditions, delivering a 100% duty cycle for dry soil, 50% for normal conditions, and turning off completely when the soil is wet. Beyond just functionality, we prioritize hardware sustainability by using a pulse power strategy for our resistive soil sensor. This prevents corrosion by only powering the sensor during readings, which significantly extend its lifespan. Crucially, for public safety, we integrated an emergency stop button using the RB0 external interrupt. This ensures that any user can halt the system immediately, triggering a system off message and the LED and the red LED indicator for instant feedback. Looking at the broader impact of our work, this project directly supports SDG 6, clean water and sanitation, by automating irrigation to prevent water wastage. We have identified clear social benefits as the system reduces the physical burden of manual labor for farmers and improves overall food security through consistent and reliable crop care. From an economic perspective, our market comparison highlights that the PIC system F877A is more cost-effective and industrially robust choice than hobbyist platforms like Arduino, making it ideal for mass production in agricultural settings. Finally, we have considered the environmental impact, which can be measured by comparing the total water volume saved by our system against traditional manual methods. In summary, our project demonstrates a reliable, safe, and sustainable solution for modern agriculture. Thank you very much for your time.